So as a first part of the problem, we need to plot the graph y is equal to log ex in the region 0, x is equal to 0 to 1. So just getting the values from calculator when um, x has to be uh, so when x is equal to 1, this one will be 0 and it should go like that if we just find the value in the calculator. So, and when x is e, so x is equal to, it's actually we have to drop to e, so when x is to e, we will have 1 here, y will be 1. So this should be x is equal to 1, this should be e, and this one is y is equal to 1. So that's the graph when x is equal to e, of course, because log e is 1, so y will be 1. Now the second part says that we need to find the area between the graph and between the y-axis and the graph 0, y is equal to 0 to 1. So basically we need to find, if I draw here this area, that means we need to find the area x dy when y goes from 0 to 1. So y is equal to log ex, that means x is equal to e to the power y. So when we integrate it, e to the power y dy, so that will become e to the power y, and we have 1 0. So e to the power 1 minus e to the power 0, which is 1. That is the unit square will be the area, the red one area. And the third part says we need to find the area that is shaded between x-axis and x is equal to 1 to e, that means this area. So the green one we need to find. So in order to find that area, we'll go to the next page. That area will be y dx, of course, and the x range will be x is equal to 1 to e, so 1 to e. So this area will be, this is, now if we look at this integration, it becomes log x dx, and finding the integration of this one needs integration by parts, so we won't go there. What we will do, we will find the area of the full rectangle, so that means this one, and subtract the red shaded area, that will give our desired area. So this area, the full area will be of course 1 here and e here, so that will be e. So e minus this one will be our desired area. So we are using the second part's result to find the final one. So e, this is the full area, minus e minus 1, which is the red area, this red region. So full rectangle minus the red region will give us the green region, which is our desired one. So that will be 1 unit square. Now this one's integration can be done by integration by parts, so I haven't discussed it yet. I will discuss it sometime later maybe. So this one, sorry, this one would have been x. So that is if there is a formula, but yeah, maybe later. But this one is done using the second part's result.